Between school, family, and friends, students have a lot to handle, but sometimes just talking through what they're dealing with can help. Children's Mental Health Awareness Week is May 1st through May 7th. We spoke with clinicians from Needham Youth Services to learn more about the importance of finding support.
About 1 in 5 children aged 13 to 18 have a diagnosable mental health condition, whether that's anxiety, ADHD, or depression. I think it's important to raise the awareness to reduce the stigma. I think mental health is something that people used to kind of brush under the rug. It's not something people used to talk about. And having these awareness weeks, days, it's great to shine a spotlight on something that's very normal.
I think there are a lot of signs that kids or teens give that they might benefit from counseling. And what I tend to tell parents is that anytime somebody deviates from sort of their baseline without any kind of reason like hunger or they need a Snickers bar, that something might be going on, and it's a good idea to have a conversation with your kid about, would you want to talk to somebody?
We offer counseling services for youth and families in the town of Needham, as well as members of the Needham Public School community. We typically see kids starting around 5 through high school and or early 20s.
It's really a remarkable service because it is free to community members. And our clinicians here work with a wide range of kids who come to us with all sorts of different issues that are troubling them. Sometimes we're helping kids sort out their feelings if mom and dad are getting divorced. Sometimes they're dealing with different friendship troubles at school. You know, we talk about lots of of things from anxiety to depression to more serious problems with, substance abuse with some of our older clients, and it ranges from there.
So to get in touch with us, our website has all of our emails and phone numbers, and we encourage parents to email us directly or to call us directly, to speak to a clinician directly. We have bios up on the website so you can read a little bit about each of us and see which of us might meet the needs of your kid. And we're open to meeting kids in school, meeting kids after school, to make sure that we can do our best to meet your family's needs.
Anyone can call Youth Services. Our number is 781-455-7500 and ask to speak to anyone in Youth Services. We have clinicians as well as our administrative assistant. One of our clinicians will get back to the person who's calling. We'll take down some basic information, and if we have space available at the time, one of our clinicians will get back to set up an intake appointment. We do have a wait list at times. We're currently running a wait list, unfortunately, for kids seeking services. And so we stay in contact with that family, though, and give them a better idea of when they would come off the wait list. We don't like kids struggling longer than they need to.
I personally feel it's really important that a town embraces positive mental health because it really sets a standard that it's important that we take care of our kids and that it's okay to talk about things that are bothering us and our feelings. And setting that precedent at an early age sets kids up to have lifelong positive mental health.